Hi, my name is Anuj Pandey. I take care of strategic deals within Airtel. Bharti Airtel is a $17 billion telecom giant and is the third largest mobile operator across the country, across the world, with presence across 20 countries across South Asia and Asia and Africa. I think at this point in time, Southeast Asia is pretty nascent. A lot of people are trying to understand what exactly IT is going to bring to the table to them. In India as well, we've seen the same trend, but in the last 6 months, we've seen huge amount of demand for this kind of service. Although I still feel that the business model still needs to be clear in this space. So I guess it will take some time, maybe around 6 months or a year, but I think it will get settled down. Potential is immense. I think from this perspective, business model is a very critical component, because at the end of it, I think what you really need is the customer that you're serving needs to be much more aligned to your objectives. You have to serve the customer much more better. So how you're going to charge, whether it's going to charge to the customer or you're going to absorb the cost, needs to be defined. And hence, that's what I think is going to define whether IT implementation is going to be more specific towards deployments which are more oriented towards organizations or to the customer specific thing. I think it's a mix of all of them. Government has certainly taken the initiative from a smart city perspective, but as and when you're seeing smart cities coming in, the operators will play a major role in this. Primarily because of the fact that connectivity happens to be the base around which you need to build this entire service, and an end-to-end service provider will make all the more difference there. There are two perspectives to this. On the B2C side of it, agriculture is certainly making a big impact, and we're already seeing trends where organizations have started building a lot of solutions around agriculture. That's certainly one piece. On the B2B side of it, we're seeing manufacturing, and specifically car manufacturers, automakers are making a big impact in this. Beyond the manufacturing part, we also see logistics and transport making a big impact, along with the finance commercial side of it, which is making a big impact. We need to look at it from an overall perspective. It's not just purely an IT implementation, as I said. It needs to be looked at from a holistic perspective, where you're talking about how is data going to be handled, how is data going to be dissipated, and how are you going to be able to handle the decision-making cycle from an organization perspective. Ideally, I would prefer organizations to look at a single service provider to handle most of the service. Which means the connectivity, the device, and the infrastructure parts which needs to go through. So a single service provider will make a difference, but a service provider needs to have credibility from a perspective of having a clear ecosystem in place and the kind of presence that you have in the country as such. See, my first advice to organizations will be to start small. And then once you've tested the waters, scale very, very, very fast. And telcos primarily will be very, very helpful from a point of view of not only being able to reach the scale that you're looking at, and also being able to see the billing and the other aspects in terms of implementation. Because of the sheer size and presence that telcos today have, I think they're a natural partner for these kind of solutions to be built up into the organization there. I think this event has been really informative. I have been personally very happy with the kind of response that I've got from the organizers, as well as the kind of audience that we're seeing across. It gives us a different perspective. I would look at making your presence much more felt further. So maybe if in case you're coming to India, yes, it'll be a big thumbs up.
Thank you.
Sure.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.